Time.
Hi there! Look at this beautiful pond! I'm so happy! Let's clap together!
Today we will sing and count to 4. 1 little, 2 little, 3 little turtles. Hop! Here comes one more. Now we have 4 green turtles. In the pond they swim and play. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 green turtles. We love to learn and play. Say it with me, say it loud. The number 4 is here today. 4 little turtles, green and slow. One eats a leaf, now how many go? Still we have 4 green turtles. In the pond they swim and play. Say it loud. 4 green turtles. We love to learn and play. Show me 4 fingers just like this. The number 4 is here today. 1, 2, 3, 4 on the rock. Turtle sleeping, shh, don't knock. Yes, it's 4 green turtles. Now they sleep at end of day. Good night, 4. 4 green turtles. We love to learn and play. We counted turtles. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 4 is here to stay. We learned number 4. Let's sing once more. 4 green turtles. 4 is equal to FOUR. We love to learn and play. Twinkle, wow! We sang and counted 4 turtles. You are amazing. Next time, number 5.